Hi everyone, my name is Mohin and I am cybersecurity engineer. In this short video, I'll walk through a vulnerability scan that I have configured using Nessus Essentials. This is the one of the leading tools in vulnerability assessment and management. This is the Nessus Essential interface, and you can see I am currently in the scan step. Nessus is widely used vulnerability scanner that helps identify and assess security weakness across IT system. I have created a scan titled Automated Vulnerability Assessment. I am going to show you automated vulnerability assessment, and scan type is vulnerability and scheduled on demand, and it is running already as showed under scan type. This is set to vulnerability and schedule is configured as on demand, allowing me to run scan when I need, typically after configuration changes on before deployment and to production. This scan is part of my regular security assessment workflow. It plays a key role in identifying exploitable vulnerabilities before attackers can take advantage of them. And this is my scan result where it shows the vulnerabilities sequentially, which is critical low. My vulnerability scan has not finished yet, but we can see the result of my scanner, which I customized and organized the Nessus Essential. Thank you for watching. If you would like to see more of my work penetration testing, vulnerability management, or secure network architecture, feel free to check out the rest of my portfolio.